Next, pensioners who lost out when a Cardiff steel plant collapsed more than 20 years ago are urging the government to restore their full pensions. Former Allied Steel and Wire workers got 90% of their entitlement through a government rescue scheme, but because payments aren't linked to inflation, their value's fallen significantly over time. Campaigner John Benson from Dinas Powys says it's caused hardship and heartache. A cross-party group of Senate members has written to the Prime Minister calling for action. The UK government says it's aware of the issues, but described the financial implications as complex and requiring a balanced approach. Over in Bridgend, residents say they're puzzled by the continued delay in opening a newly built Burger King drive-thru. The two-storey restaurant off the A48 at Picton Court roundabout has stood finished for months but remains closed to the public. Although planning permission was initially refused by Bridgend Council, it was later approved on appeal. Now residents and councillors are asking why it's still not operational. The council says a legal stopping up order is needed to resolve minor planning issues. Burger King has declined to comment on the delay. In Caerphilly, plans to demolish parts of Plasfellin Primary School could get underway over the summer holidays. Council leaders say they aim to build a state-of-the-art replacement school, offering more space and a better learning environment. The first phase would see the infants block and staff room removed, with temporary classrooms installed to ensure pupils can continue learning on site. The full project is expected to cost over £20 million, with the council contributing more than £5 million. Caerphilly Council is also behind a new plan to build up to 23 affordable homes on the site of Risca Youth and Community Centre. The development would include one-bedroom flats, later living apartments and an accessible home. Officials say the site's classed as brownfield and currently unused. The council previously considered keeping the centre, but now appears to be pushing ahead with full demolition. If approved, the proposed housing at Risca would replace the existing youth and community facility, with construction set to begin once the current site is cleared and planning permissions are granted by the local authority.